right, so let's get into the next video. So this starts out with chapter 2 in the book, How to Code C++ from a Simple Idea to a Game You'll Understand. And chapter 2 is all about getting your computer set up and ready for coding. So again, this is a book from the very beginning. So if you've never done any programming at all, this will show you how to start. And there are three main tasks that you need to do to set up your computer and get it ready for coding. You need some way to write your code. That's number one. And I've seen programmers use very simple text editors like Notepad on Windows. I don't recommend that, but I have seen some people that go to that level. But you need to be able to write, and you cannot use a word processor. It might seem like, well, it's just text you're writing, but word processors are more interested in how your text looks, formatting it, and that's not the type of editing that you need to work with. You need to work with an editor that will let you write the text without trying to format it into, pages and headings and paragraphs and things like that. A good editor will however, organize your code into, let's say, like highlights, color, color coding it so that you can see what are the keywords and where your strings are and where your comments are. That's a good thing, but that doesn't get translated into the text. When you save the file, you get just a plain text file, and that's what you need for writing your code. The second thing you need to set up your computer is a way of turning that code that you write into a running executable. And this is your compiler. And I'll show you how to set up the compiler, the editor also, on both Windows, well, not both, on Windows, on Mac, and on Linux computers. All the commands are in here, screenshots, images, everything you need. Just follow along to get your computer set up. The third thing that you need is, when we're writing code, sometimes things don't always go the way we expect, and we'll encounter bugs. So the third thing that you need is some form of debugger. And I'll show you how to get that set up as well. And the book will actually go through and show you how to use the debugger. So you get everything you need to get your computer set up, even if you've never done any programming at all before. All right, so that's all for this video. Thanks. Bye.